Good morning boys and girls and welcome to day 3 of our Read Write Ink video this week. Today we're going to be building a sentence, so you will need your jotter, your red literacy jotter or yellow literacy jotter and a nice sharp pencil. Okay, this week we have been focusing on 5 Fred finger words. Can you give me a 5 Fred finger word that we have been practicing? Thinking time. You could have given me stand, strop, or stamp. Those are 3 5 red finger words that we have been practicing this week. Okay, let's get on to our sentences. Our word that we are going to use in a sentence is stand. 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 Good job. Okay, the sentence is: can you stand up? Can you say that? Good job. Let's do it in a whisper voice this time. Can you stand up? Your turn. Good job. This time we are going to use a big, loud voice. Can you stand up? Your turn. This time, a funny voice. Can you stand up? Your turn. Good job. Have we got it locked in our brains now? Let's see how many words are in this sentence. Can you stand up? 4 words. Now this is a special sentence because this sentence is a question. And when we have a question, we use a question mark. Can you say that, boys and girls? Question mark. And a question mark looks like this, with a little dot at the bottom. You can have a little practice in your jotter of doing some question marks after our sentence. So, our sentence was, can you stand up? Now we are going to Fred talk all of these words. What do we need at the start of our sentence, boys and girls? That's right, a capital letter. Can. Can. Can you sound out can for Miss Brown? K, a, n. Can. What type of K? Curly K. Good job. Curl round the caterpillar. K, a, n. Can. What do we need next? Finger space. Can you? You. How can I sound out you? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Now what makes up the ooh sound, boys and girls? That's right. It's aw and aw. Can you? Good job. Now parents, you will realise that we haven't spelled you correctly, but the way that the children will be writing this is how they will be able to hear it. They know the oo sound So at this point, at this stage, we're encouraging the children to use their phonics to help them sound out words. And we know that it's not spelt correctly, but phonetically it is spelt correctly. We haven't learned U, it's a red tricky word, so we haven't learned that yet. So this is how I would expect children to be writing U at the moment. Can you stand? Stand. How many Fred fingers does stand have? Can you tell me? That's right, it's 5. Can we pinch our fingers to help us sound it out? D. Stand. Well done. Can you? Second sound. T. Third sound. Ah. Fourth sound. And fifth sound. D. Can you stand up? How can I sound out up? Up. Finger space. Up. Well done. Now remember, Miss Brown said this was a question. So we don't put a full stop on the end. Can you remember what it's called? I'll give you a clue. That's right, it's a question mark at the end of this sentence. Well done, boys and girls. We have finished off our first sentence. I want you to give yourself a big tick if you remembered your capital letter, if you were able to write the word stand correctly, and if you have got your question mark. Good job. Now you can go on to write 2 more sentences with the word strop and stamp. Remember to get mum or dad to take a photograph of your finished work and submit it for Miss Brown. Excellent work, boys and girls. Give yourself a huge big marshmallow clap, and I'll see you all next week for our Read Write Ink lessons. Have a lovely day.